Alright, so what exactly am I doing here? I frankly don't know. I mean, I do know now. I've learned about this recipe probably about a few seconds ago, and I'm going to teach you how to make it. It's a special recipe because it's made of potatoes, and potatoes are pretty much the best. So what I've done is I've taken some potatoes, 4 potatoes. I boiled them. I say I, but I haven't actually boiled them. Then I mashed them, and now I got this mess. I got this mess here, and I gotta press it through the strainer, and that's what I'm gonna do now. So I mean, you can use anything. I have a spoon. You know, you could use a smaller spoon. You could use a shovel, but that's okay. We're gonna be using a spoon. We're gonna be like proper people. So you just gotta press it down first of all. Put it down there. At the bottom, see the potatoes are starting to come up. So we're just gonna keep pressing and pressing until we can scrape the potatoes into the bowl off the bottom of the strainer. I hope that made sense. Woo! We're back because I just finished pressing all of this potato stuff into the bowl. That was 100% me, only me. Look how strong these muscles are. So I think we're done with the sieve here. This is going to be over here now. Now, you may be wondering why I'm wearing a different shirt. I'm not. Your eyes are deceiving you. Let's continue with the recipe. So, we're gonna put in some seasoning now. It's the seasoning stage. Chicken stock is something that you can, it's something that you put in a lot of recipes, and you might be wondering why we're putting it in here. Well, it has all kinds of stuff, like it already has salt. So once we put it in, we might not need more salt, but we're gonna have to just taste for seasoning. So watch this, blah, 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 blah. Yes, we are gonna mix it in with the spoon. So, I've tasted for seasoning, and it's looking pretty good. So, what next? Well, we have to continue our seasoning before we put in the exciting ingredients. What I have here is some oregano. And I'm not the hugest fan of oregano, so I'm not going to put too much. With a spoon, and so I'm going to put a little bit, oh, it's still too much. Yeah, just this much, I'd say. Like, not a lot. And watch this as I go. You need to, at least spread it a little bit. We're going to take a little bit more. Just a tiny bit. Look at that. Just sprinkle it all through. Okay, so look. Everything's in the bowl. We're going to really mix it hard. So, once everything's mixed pretty thorough, one more last taste before we go, just in case I put anything bad in. It tastes like potatoes. We're going to transform it into something even better. Because guess what I have here? It's my favorite, it's your favorite, it's cheese. So, I'm using the stuff from the Cracker Barrel, shredded cheeses, and I'm just going to put them in, and this is the cheddar variety, I believe. But I'm going to put them in a little bit at a time. So just whoa. We have all the time. Now that we're stuck here indoors. Make sure you sprinkle it around though. Distribute it evenly. So the reason why you gotta distribute it evenly is because my mom, if you put it all in, or if you don't distribute it evenly, it's a recipe for disaster. In between these takes is something you wouldn't believe. So remember, the philosophy my mom has, put it in and distribute it evenly. Slowly, take your time. Or else. Now there's not much cheese left, because, all of it's part of in there. Put it all of it in. You just want to get, every last bit of it. I'm just giving it one last big stir, making sure all the cheese is in there, scraping off down all the sides, like that. I think it's pretty combined. So, I already put oregano. So this is our cornstarch. We're not going to be using all of it, and we're also going to be distributing it evenly and slowly. So, just until our potatoes can form a nice dough. So I'm going to start with this little thing first, but I'm definitely going to need more. One more spoon, and I think I'll go like a little one more. There we go. This needs more. Yep, still looking like I'm gonna need more. So just don't be afraid to just put the cornstarch in. Don't be afraid to add a little more cornstarch. This is our cornstarch. We're not gonna be using all of it. So we put in a little more cornstarch, and by that, I mean all the cornstarch. Now, before I start kneading our doughy creation, I like to introduce you to my little friend here. Putting a chili in these fries will make them very, very tasty. Now, we're not going to be doing that today, but just to let you know, if you can handle the spice, they're always out there. Now, there are a few methods to kneading this that you can use. You use your hands, of course. So, you just start pushing it, and then bringing it forward, and pushing it, and bringing it forward. Alright, now we have this big dough ball made of potatoes, cornstarch, and our other seasonings. It doesn't have to be a perfect sphere all around. You want to get, if you have one, of course, get one of these plastic bags. They're amazing, because we're now going to put this in it. So, just get this open, and we just shimmy this guy right into it. And after it's in, we start flattening it. And we're just gonna flatten him down. With this jar, you can use a rolling pin. We can't find a rolling pin right now. It's, somewhere in the back of there. We totally have a rolling pin. So you just start flattening this guy out. Just make sure there's no air in there, otherwise that'll be a very big pain. You just want to make sure it's flat and nice. Flat is nice. We got it flat, and just to show you how flat it is, whoa, look at that. And it's even too. Very nice. You could use it as protective armor. Now, since we got it flat, we're going to take our finest pair of kitchen scissors. These gotta be kitchen scissors, not scissors from your washroom, not scissors from your closet, not scissors from your bed. Wherever you have your scissors, those aren't the right scissors. They need to be clean scissors that are totally not 100% from other places. It has to be from your kitchen, because that's the only place you're going to be able to guarantee clean scissors. So, first what you're going to do is you're going to open it a little bit up like this. And see how the plastic comes out here? So we're just going to cut straight through the middle. Alright, next, these two bits right here. So I kind of want to turn it over to my side. Now that we've opened it, it's time for my favorite part. A lot of people who know me will also consider this my favorite part. I have a knife. And what I'm going to do is, you've seen a fry before. They're like long rectangular pieces. We're going to be cutting them into fries. It's a bit slanted, but it's okay, Alright, so after I cut them and put them all into a bowl, we're going to start frying. You may see that I've changed shirts once more, but this is me and I am frying. Alright, we pop these out of the fryer, And look at that. They look. I mean, wow. But it doesn't matter how they look. We gotta give these little nice sticks a little taste test. So I think I'm gonna go with the stranger looking one, because look at that. That looks like a guy. I'll tell you what I think. This snack tastes pretty epic. I'll tell you what it tastes like. The outside is a very nice cracker, almost like a Cheez-It or a goldfish. But the inside is nice, potatoey, tasty filling. I'm rating this it's really pandemic.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Well, thank you for watching. That's about all I have for you today. I'm sorry I can't cook more. I'm getting kind of tired. But don't forget to, share the video with your friends. Maybe they might make it. Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, tell us what you think. I'll see you around.